Hi guys, how are we all doing? If you're new to the channel, my name's Rodian and today we are going to be building a chimney stack. So that's the chimney there going straight up out the roof. Well, it will be shortly, and as you can see the efflorescence is still there, but like a lot of you said last video, a couple of videos ago, just leave it be and it will go. Right, we've got bricks up there, we've got muck up there, so let's get up there and let's get going.
Seem to get to me. I am back with a stolen identity. You know I see through anything. I'm a one-man army with a bitter sting. You give me no reasons. I'm broken to pieces. There's no one who can erase. Stuck inside frame. You know that's why I don't behave the same. Whenever you are here, I see clear, shed a tear. Don't know if I can pretend all the way to the end. You know the truth is hard to. I lost track of what I wanted ever since the party started. If there's a way for me and you, then I know just what to do. I know it doesn't matter. I'm broken and I'm shattered. There's no one who can erase. Stuck inside a frame. You know that's why I don't behave the same. Whenever you are here, I see clear, shed a tear. Don't know if I can pretend all the way to the end. You know the truth is hard to bend. You cannot seem to get to me. I am back with a stolen identity. You know I see through anything. I'm a one-man army with a bitter sting. Stuck inside frame. You know that's why I don't behave the same. Whenever you are here, I see clear, shed a tear. Don't know if I can pretend all the way to the end. You know the truth is hard to bend. To bend. Oh yeah. To bend.
Don't forget guys, that subscribe button down there is looking very lonely. Go down there and give it some love. Also give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video. Appreciate it. Right, we're almost there. A couple more courses on the top and we're done. What I've got to do is I've got to back this up with a bit of Vicky. Fill in. I've got to fill in that gap. Bit of insulating vermiculite. One question to all you guys out there. Vermiculite, do you actually need to use it, or can you just build it up out of solid brick or back it up with concrete? Let me know down the bottom, it'd be interesting to know. Right, what I'm going to do, I'll do that and I'll come back to you guys tomorrow. Let it go off overnight and I'll come back to you guys tomorrow. So, I'll see you in a minute. Right, and we're back. Another day, beautiful, sun's out, perfect. Old Vicky's gone off. Yeah, it looks like a nice sort of, I don't know, an aero bar. No, I guess they're made of bubbles. These are made of, they're tiny little, if it focuses, they're tiny little clay balls. You just mix them up with a bit of cement and pour it in, and it's nice. As you can see, I'm a fraction low. I didn't want to buy another whole bag just for that, so we'll see if the pot fits straight over the top of that. That'd be perfect. If not, I might just put a couple of bricks around it just to level it up get the pot going up. I don't really want to start cutting this off because it'd be a pain in the arse. Right, so what do we all know about pot? Pot, get it? Chimney pot. Alright, so I've got a selection of a few here from old jobs. That one, never been used. Bought it for a job and the geezer just didn't want to use it, so I kept it. I reckon we'll probably go with these two. Obviously two houses, similar houses, well the same houses, so it seems sense having two of the same ones. I don't really want to use that one, it is a bit much. That one is the same as these two but a fraction higher, and this one is the same as these two but a fraction lower, and that one's just the odd one out, so we'll go with these two, one of these. Gonna be a bit of a pain hiking that up the top, but oh well. Best thing to do that, I reckon, is we do a tornado transportation. You ready for it? Oh, there she is. Look at that. What a beauty. Oh, an absolute stunner. She's a bit dirty. Tried cleaning her up with the jet wash, but I mean, each to their own. We're not one to judge on this channel, so I left her be. Bit of dirt on there, lovely. So what I'm going to do is I've already tested it. Now I've found a bit of a problem. These pots, they must have moved a little bit because that is ever so slightly off centre. So what I'm going to do is that actually fits straight over the top of that perfectly, but it needs to go that way just to shimmy. So I'm just going to build a couple of bricks around it just to hold it up and have it in the right spot, muck it all in, and then that'll be perfect. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'll probably put one more course on like this and step it in, one more course like this, and then flaunch it up. That's the plan. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. This came off an old Victorian townhouse. Put it up there, no one's taken her away. Lovely, right. So let's get a bit of muck up here and let's get going.
Stop me, never hit the ground.
And there we go, that's done. Topped her off with a bit of sharp sand and a little bit of building sand in there. Probably 2 parts sharp sand to 1 part building sand. Made it quite strong because it's up here, it's against the elements. Wanted it nice and strong. Brushed it over with a brush. You use sharp sand with a bit of soft sand in there just so that it doesn't crack, it can withhold the elements a bit better. Also that 2p in there, something I've done for a while. My dad used to do it, he used to put a 2p in the top. So I've taken on a tradition, I've done the same thing. I did try and find a 2p from this year, but I couldn't find one anyway. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe down the bottom, and that's the end of it. See you next time.